Hey guys, let's make some banana fritters, also known as Cokodok, not Cokodok, yeah? Oh, but first of all, let's get some branding on. We're gonna get some bananas, the riper the better, because they're gonna taste really sweet. Now this recipe is perfect if you got somebody that you don't really like today. So you're just gonna imagine that's their face and keep mushing them, and then add a bit of sugar just to sweeten them up and continue mushing them. Add a bit of salt as well, then continue mushing them. Then we're gonna add some flour, mix them up, add a bit more flour, mix it again, and a bit more flour, and mix it again. Now I'm adding some baking powder over there, give it a tap on the bum. Then keep mixing them and add a bit of baking soda and mix them again. Now in the wok, add in some oil. Take a goop from the batter and not from your nose. Test in the oil. If it's sizzling and floating, means your oil is done. Now throw in all your batter with an ice cream scoop so that it looks round and nice. Now once it's done, just flip it to the other side and continue cooking them until you get like a brownish color like this. Then just scoop them up and arrange them on a plate. Now don't forget to add some icing sugar on it. It's sweet and soft, definitely a dessert that anybody would want to eat. So remember to try it out and let me know how it goes. Bye!